messenger bag is like a portable office. And only if they could see mine, they could give me a title of Chief Get Everything Done Officer. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan and on this channel, I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures. And the adventures that we're gonna be talking about in this video involves you working from cafe or coffee shop. And that's where this messenger bag comes in handy. I have been a digital nomad for almost 3.5 years now, and this is one of the best things that I have curated for myself, as I usually work from home and it can get quite monotonous every day. And that's why every now and then in a week, couple of times, I like to work from a cafe or a coffee shop, a co-working space, or meet with other people, other digital nomads, and work with them all together. And that is why this messenger bag comes into the picture. It has everything that enable me to work on the go, even when I'm traveling. This is something that I have replaced my backpack with. Don't get me wrong, backpack still has a place, but I think as we are growing up, I think messenger bag looks more classy, more decent. I don't really anymore like carrying backpack on my shoulder whenever I'm going at the airport or at the coffee shop, and I prefer this one lately. So that's why I was in a market for a good messenger bag. I really hope that I could find one in leather, because I think that really appeals to me more. But this messenger bag is by Digital Object. This is not in leather, cloth material, canvas, nylon, ripstock, something like that. But the functionality and the versatility that this particular bag provides, nothing even comes closer. That's why I really wish someone really could make something similar in leather. I would love to pick that up. But for now, this is my go-to bag whenever I'm working from a cafe or even when I'm traveling. I like it so much that I picked another one. This one is in blue color, the same bag. So yes, this comes in multiple colors, and I will leave a link down in the description below if you want to pick it up. But without further ado, let me take you to the overhead camera and showcase you everything that I carry with me in my everyday carry messenger bag that enables me to live a life as a digital nomad. Alright, so here we are on the overhead camera, and this is the messenger bag that we're gonna be taking a look today. It's my everyday carry work from coffee shop, work from cafe style messenger bag, and I also usually take it on smaller trips, 1 or 2 days or a weekender here and there. So this one is by a company called Daily Object. I have a love and hate relationship with them. I love some of their products, I don't like others of their products, but this one something that I really love because it has a great organization built into, great functionality, very good versatility. And as I shown before, I have another one in blue color, but I think I prefer the green one better, and it comes in a lot of different colors. I think I would also like the black one, but I'm not in the mood of picking a new one. So yeah, taking a look outside, it has a small branding over here with the Digital Object logo. This is a hook where you could carry the shoulder strap. To be honest, I don't really carry it on my shoulder, so I usually remove the shoulder strap. I have put it for the video only. I usually carry it in my hands using the handle. But yeah, there is one zip over here which we'll come to in a moment. That's the main zip. This is the handle that I usually use to carry it, and there is one zip in the back, the other side of the shoulder strap. And this one is a luggage pass-through, so you can use it to put it in your luggage whenever you are going to the airport, and it will have a pass-through like this. So yeah, small branding on the back as well over here, nothing really fancy. And of course a small pocket for water bottle, which is stretchable, which is a good thing. That means you can carry water bottle in different sizes and shapes. And over here I'm carrying a small water bottle that I got from Muji, Singapore. This one can take at least 1 glass of water and fits in really well over here. But because this zip is expandable, you can carry different size water bottles, or you can just leave it like this. Sometimes I also like to carry my keep cup for coffee and whatnot. Let's start from the back, and as you can see, we have a zip on the back over here, and here are a few things that I carry, especially for quick access. So I have a pack of tissue paper, yeah, because you never know what sort of cafes have what sort of environment, and you should always be ready. The next thing I have over here is a couple of wet wipes and my mouth freshener by Listerine, and just few more wet wipes, and I don't think I have anything else over here. So just some quick access things on the back, some tissue paper and mouth freshener. That's it. Let's move to the front compartment first, and then we'll move to the main compartment. So on the front compartment, you have another zip, and yeah, I haven't talked about the material of this bag much. I would say the material is really good, really premium, high quality, but as you know me, I prefer leather, but no one really makes this versatile and this organized bag in leather, so that's why I'm stuck with this one. So this one is the main zip. As you can see, it also has a really great lining on the inside, The lining looks really good, and as you can see, I'm not sure how much you can see on the overhead camera, but you can see there are a lot of different compartments and organization built into. So starting from this one is a string to carry your keychain. So whenever I'm going out, I usually put my car key over here or my key organizer. Then there are few organizer I don't really use, a few pockets for the pen. In this pocket I carry my main power bank. This one is the MagSafe 10,000 milliampere hour. I picked it in the UK few years back. You can see a lot of wear and tear, even lost one magnet, but so far it's working good. It also has a USB charger, so you can also charge any other device if that is not MagSafe compatible. Similar pocket on the side, and over here I have my portable cutlery set. So this one I got from Amazon, and nothing fancy over here, but this one has a small spoon, this one has a small fork and a foldable knife. Again, for very emergency situation, whenever I cannot find any good cutlery, or I just want to take away and eat in the park, that's where this comes in handy. And I always keep something like that in all of my bags, so just leaving it over here for now. Apart from that, nothing really over here, because there is a lot of organization in the main compartment as well, and we'll come to that now. So one of the absolute best part of this bag, it has a two-way zipper, so you can also open it like this, you can also open it like this. So no matter which direction you want, there is a zipper for that, and that makes it really handy and save some of your time. So yeah, that's how the bag looks from the inside. Let me quickly unfold it so you can have a better look. So a lot of organization built into, a lot of good space. Compartment wise, it has different organizations, and let me start one by one, starting from this zipper. This one has a soft lining inside, so that's really become easy for me to carry my sunglasses. So that's what I use it for. Quickly you can access your sunglasses from here, and it won't get scratched because of the lining. And let's start from this one. So this one is another pouch by Daily Object. I've showed it in one of my video, and if I put it over here for a moment, so yeah, another very good pouch by Daily Object, and this is something that I use to carry my charging solution, because I like to carry my charger separately. I don't want to just throw it in the bag. So this one is my charger. This one is a Minix charger. Again, I picked it up from UK a few years back. This one is actually a GAN charger. That means it can charge multiple devices. So you can see we have 3 USB-C and 1 full-size USB port. Supports up to 100 watt of charging. So this single charger can charge my MacBook, my iPad, my AirPods, my iPhone at the same time. So that's why I have it over here. With this, I have a 10 feet long USB-C to USB-C cable, braided one. It's a bit expensive, but I don't really, worry about this breaking up. I can just, shove it in any compartment. And yeah, I bought it from Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description below so you can pick it up as well. And as you can see on this pouch as well, I'm also carrying a S-Beaner by Night. I've shown it multiple times on the channel, so I'm not going to talk about it. Coming back to the bag, the next thing that I have over here is something that I don't really carry in winters, but in summers it's like a really essential. So this one is a small electric fan by Jisoo Life. I picked this in Bangkok while I was traveling there, and I showed it in one of my gym EDC video. But trust me, whenever I'm going out in summer, I cannot leave my home without a fan, especially whenever I'm in Southeast Asia, whenever I'm in India, the weather is really humid. That's why you need a fan with you. And yeah, it is a really handy fan, again USB-C, and once you charge, it can work for 2-3 hours. So it's really good, and it has a really high speed operation. So again, keeping it aside, the next thing that I have over here is my mouse. So this one is a Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. This one is a Mac edition, so you don't have a receiver. It connects via Bluetooth. Again, a lot of people swear by this mouse, and I like to use my trackpad, but every now and then, because this mouse has so much buttons, so much shortcuts, when you are doing some serious work, especially editing and some things like that, you really need a mouse, and that's why I don't have a keyboard with me in my bag, but I definitely keep a mouse, and Logitech MX Master 3S is my go-to choice. Similar to this one, I also have another thing that I don't really use much, but when I use it, I really need it. This one is a portable stand where I keep my laptop whenever I'm working, and I got this from Amazon. As you can see, this has different levels. You can raise it up all the way to 30 degrees and all the way back to 120 degrees. So very small form factor, very small stand. Sometimes you need to elevate your laptop so you can have a better angle with the webcam whenever you are talking, and also when you are reading, when you are typing, this comes in really handy, and that's why it always stays in my bag. Moving towards the next thing, I have my main tech organizer, and this is something that have everything tech related over here. My USB cables, SD card, UB keys. I have made a full video about it last week, so definitely check this out if you want to know what everything that I carry in my tech pouch. But trust me, this is one of the best tech pouch, one of the best purchases of this year so far, and a lot of amazing things in there. So definitely check out this video. But yeah, that's also stays in the bag. The next thing that I have over here is my journaling setup. So I have a journal. I have made a full video about this as well last year. This one has multiple journals. It's like a traveler's notebook. So this one has my to-do list journal. This one has my planning journal. This one has journal dedicated to my content creation, and journal dedicated to my, writing thoughts of the day, philosophy and things like that. Some to-do list over here, and over here I have some perforated notebook carrying 2 Lamy Safari pen. Again, if you are interested to check out my traveler's notebook journaling setup, you can check out this video which I have posted last year. Everything is in the description below. And yeah, I cannot go out without my journal because I write a lot. I plan everything in the journal. The next thing that I have over here is my iPad Mini 6 and the book I'm currently reading. So I usually carry one analog book, whatever I'm reading currently. Currently, I'm reading this book called Man's Search for Meaning, a great book from the Holocaust time during the World War II. So if you want to pick it up, you can, also check it out. A great book, I would say. And yeah, I'm rereading it currently. But I also have my iPad Mini 6 over here, which has different books, but I definitely prefer analog book. iPad, it's one of the most used gadget for me, but usually I use it for consuming content, Netflix, YouTube and whatnot. So yeah, that also goes in there. So as you can see, this has a dedicated pocket for keeping your tablet. I'm not sure how much visible that is, but over here you keep your iPad and my book. On the back, there is a laptop compartment. Currently, I'm using laptop for recording this video, but yeah, that's where my laptop goes. With the laptop compartment and the iPad compartment, it has this sort of a Velcro, so they are, safe and different from other things. So now you can see there are more organizations over here. We have 2 over here, and let me show you what I have in that one. So in the first one, I have my AirPod Pro 2nd generation with the noise cancellation, and AirPods are definitely a must-have if you're working from cafe. Especially the noise cancellation one, it comes in really handy. It cuts out all the noise and you can focus on your work, so that's why I keep it over here. And similarly, in the next compartment, I have a tool that I don't really use much, but when I need it, it comes in really handy. So this one is a travel router by GL iNet, and it's a bit out of the scope for this video about how I use it, but let me know if you want me to make a video on how I use a travel router, how it can make you secure whenever you are traveling, how you can make your own Wi-Fi network in public spaces. So that's what I use it for, basically for my work and to stay secure on public networks. So yeah, that's my travel router and stays over here. Yeah, almost done with the bag. Moving towards the next compartment, you can see there are one more zip. So on the first zip was the goggles, and just below that there is one more zip. And in the zip I have not much, but a couple of small accessories. So I have one lip balm, I have a small padlock, I have a multi-tool which has a blade and a few different screwdriver, and I have one in-charge X cable that again is a emergency cable which has all the ports. So other than that, I don't really have anything in my bag. So yeah, that goes back. Let me check if I have anything else, and no, not really. That's all that I carry with me in this messenger bag. Everything that I require from my work from cafe, work from coffee shop is in this bag. As I mentioned, the versatility and the organization that this bag provides is totally unmatched. I would definitely prefer someone makes this in leather. I would, pay a premium for that. But for now, I think I'm stuck with this option. Not bad so far, but yeah, definitely would love someone making it this in leather. But yeah, that was all the things that I carry with me in my messenger everyday carry bag. Let me know what you think about this, any other item that I should be having over here. And if you want to check out what's in my pouch that I just showed, my tech pouch, then definitely check out this video. And if you want to check out my recent update of everyday carry items, including everything that I have in my pocket, then definitely check this video. Thank you for staying till the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.